Chloe, how excited are you?
So excited.
So excited.
It's fantastic. I came out from Springfield. So glad I did. The food is awesome. The beers are cold. Ciders are refreshing. And it's lit.
So we got here pretty early and started off with a stuffed Sophia, which was bomb. Oh my gosh. What did you start with?
Oh, I went to Roxy's Grilled Cheese and had a great grilled cheese from there. That was amazing.
And then Nate just finished up his barbecue.
Barbecue and I got a whoopie.
Now we're finishing with some whoopie
All the
pies.
whoopie pies.
Desserts.
Oh, the meatball sliders were amazing.
We went to the Mexican truck too. That was great.
We're on our way to get the frozen hoagies.
Sounds like you're making the rounds.
And more beer.
I'm here with all my friends, and this is our first time here, and we've just gone around to all the trucks. Meatballs are my favorite food, and I'm so excited to eat this, and everything is so good.
Hey, we're having so much fun at Worcester Commons today. Love the Fisherman IPA and the waffles.
I'm a big fan of BT Smokehouse, gonna go there, and I love the Mighty Swell.
I love the Downy cider and the waffles.
So, came here, it's my birthday, my girlfriend, most beautiful girl in the world. We came here to have a good time, drink some beers.
Grapefruit swell, awesome. Very good, yes. This is my fave. Barefoot Switzerland. I'm really happy that Worcester's like starting to have more family-oriented events down here on the commons. I think that it's nice that they're want to give back to the community.